welcome to the phonics class. In the previous class, we have learned the sounds of each letter. Now, we are going to learn two-letter words with short vowel A. Let's get started. A, B, ab, A, B, ab, A, k, ak, A, k, ak, A, d, add, A, d, add, A, g, ag, A, g, ag, A, am, A, am, A, n, an, A, n, an, A, p, ap, A, p, ap, A, as, A, s, as, A, t, at, A, t, at. Kids, let's do a quick review. Ab, ag, add, ag, am, an, ap, as, at. Kids, practice these sounds every day. It's more helpful to read. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click bell icon. Thank you.